Too often, rooftop utilities are mounted to metal roofs using wood blocking, plastic or steel supports, rubber pads, and other improvised methods. These approaches can rely on surface-applied sealants, trap moisture, create corrosion points, compromise roof performance, and put both the equipment and the roof at risk. But attaching HVAC units and other utilities to metal roofs doesn't have to be complicated or put your roof at risk. With S5 and the GripperFix Utility Mounting System, you get a secure, engineered solution designed to protect your roof's integrity. From standing seam to exposed-fastened trapezoidal and corrugated profiles, every metal roof presents unique challenges when attaching rooftop equipment. That's where S5 clamps and exposed-fastened tabs, paired with GripperFix struts, provide a flexible solution for adding popular items such as split-system air conditioning units to virtually any metal roof profile. On standing seam roofs, S5 clamps attach securely without penetrating the roof. On exposed-fastened metal roofs, GripperFix EF tabs fasten directly through the panel, using factory-applied EPDM to ensure a long-term, weatherproof attachment. Also notice that the GripperFix strut is designed to distribute the weight of the unit to a minimum of 3 ribs on each side of the unit, so 6 bearing points in total at minimum. So a unit weighing 175 pounds is only 29 pounds per bearing point. The GripperFix system installs quickly and integrates optional GripperFix levelers, allowing the leveling of rooftop equipment like HVAC units. Once the struts are in place, slide the required M8 bolts into position. Add the necessary levelers over the bolts, followed by damper pads. The condenser unit can then be set in place and secured with hex flange nuts, creating a stable, elevated platform that protects both the equipment and the roof. A clean, secure installation, engineered for performance and durability. And HVAC is just one application. The GripperFix Utility Mounting System also supports a wide range of rooftop ancillaries, including Starlink satellite dishes, pipe and conduits, walkways, cable trays, rooftop lighting, and more, making it a truly versatile solution for metal roofs. S5 and GripperFix, engineered solutions for metal roofing done right.